Well, here's a really great question right here. Could you elaborate the relation of geothermal energy with radioactivity? Great question. And it starts with the primordial radionuclides. Now, what are the primordial radionuclides? Those are the elements that are with us today that were present in the Earth at its formation. And the dominant three of those are uranium, thorium, and their decay chains, and potassium. Now, uranium, it's more abundant than tin. It's actually quite ubiquitous. There's a lot of it. And there's 3 times that much thorium in the Earth. Now, potassium, that's even far more common. Potassium, that's required for life. You'll die without it. And it gives off one of the highest energy betas and gammas that you have, higher than most that you'll find even from industry or even medical isotopes or nuclear energy or anything like that. Just really high energy betas and gammas. And this process of uranium and thorium decaying down to lead, there are a whole bunch of radioactive elements and radioisotopes that are created. As the decay products, they give off either alphas or betas. They generally give off quite a few gammas as well. And those, when they go off into the dirt, they'll bounce around in the dirt and then dissipate as heat. And like I said, there's a lot of uranium. It's like 4 billion tons just in the ocean, just from natural runoff. It's just continually being dumped into the ocean every year from natural runoff. The natural uranium that's in granite, it just weathers into the ocean. And at that concentration, there's every reason to expect that we have that same concentration throughout the Earth. There are some papers that even suggest that it gets higher as you go down because it's a heavier element. It's the heaviest naturally occurring element on Earth, uranium, and thorium second to that. And the point is that all of that radioactivity, it's continually giving off heat. And so there is still a little bit of residual geothermal energy that's there from the formation of the Earth, but the majority, the vast majority, like 2/3 of the energy from geothermal is just radioactive decay of the primordial radionuclides. So in an interesting way, geothermal is just a converted form of nuclear energy, kind of like solar and wind. Anyway, thanks for the question. Hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.